Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. I'm back after a little bit of a break. Kind of a long story behind all that. The short version is I'm on a 5-week break. At the end of it, I've only got one more week to go between my summer quarter classes and my fall quarter classes. Been doing lots of odds and ends around the house and getting things, a living room painted and all that, other chores. It just takes a lot of time. Anyway, I'm glad for the opportunity and I'm glad to be back. So hopefully this introduction will be pretty brief today and then we'll get to the slideshow of photos. So doing something a little bit different because my brain needed something different besides headed back to the city again. So one of the chores I had to do was get my oil changed in my car. So after we did that, Debbie and I went to Bellevue Botanical Garden and wandered around there on a nice overcast day, which I love for making photos of flowers. It just keeps the colors so rich and not too contrasty, but you get lots of saturation. So that's what we did. That's what these photos are going to be about. Kind of I guess a trigger warning. If you don't like flying insects, there's some bumblebees in here, some other pollinators. So if you don't like those, you may not like some of these photos. But it was great to be there. I forget that at the end of summer, beginning of fall, there's still a lot of blooms going on, especially the dahlias. So lots of fun flowers there. It was great to be in the trees, in the nature, in the smells, a little bit different environment. It felt really, really good. In addition to going to a different location, I took some different lenses. So one of the lenses I took with was the Fujnon XF 30 millimeter f2.8 macro lens. You'll see lots of photos from this. Also, maybe surprisingly, took the 90 millimeter Fuji film f2 awesome lens, just because I haven't used this lens as much as I'd like. I forget about it. It's just such an amazing lens, so I'm really glad to have that. And then maybe my favorite lens, maybe also surprisingly, for flower photos is the Fujifilm XF 70-300 f4-5.6. I love it for its minimum focusing distance, which is relatively close at 300 millimeters, so you don't have to be physically close, but you still get lots of magnification, get close to the pollinators, to the flowers, and a little more forgiveness as far as focus, at least in my experience. So that's what I did. I had a great time. I hope you enjoy these photos. I hope your summer is going well as we head into autumn and fall. It's a little chilly here today in the Northwest. It's cooling off. So that's why the flannel. Anyway, again, hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoy these photos coming up. If you have comments, thoughts, suggestions, I would love to have conversation with you about those in the comments below. If you have a way you find you recharge at this time of season, if you leave those in the comments below, I'm always looking for suggestions on how to keep fresh in the midst of trying to keep frequency of making photos. So again, love to have that conversation with you. So as the summer concludes, I hope it's been a wonderful time for you. I hope you've maybe gotten some rest and some vacation and some change of pace as we head back into what seems to always be a busy fall season. So yeah, let's head into that and go out and find some time for photography. That's on my agenda. So again, thanks for your patience with me. Hope you enjoy these photos, and I look forward to seeing you in a next video. So after you enjoy these photos, I hope you stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. So enjoy these photos.